Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting with our third option of investment avenue, that is equity market. What do you understand by equity market? It is also sometimes denoted as stock market or sometimes as share market. Can anybody tell what it means? Yes, Priyanka.
मैम इक्विटी मार्केट में आई थिंक इसमें कंपनी शेयर्स इशू करती होगी और इसमें एक्सचेंज के थ्रू उसमें ट्रेड होता होगा आई थिंक
बिल्कुल.
आई एम नॉट श्योर
नो नो. करेक्ट करेक्ट.
हम जहाँ स्टॉक्स बाय और सेल करते हैं
जहाँ पे
वो
हम
इक्विटी मार्केट।
बिल्कुल रणधीर very correct. The place where you buy and sell the stocks of the company are called equity. Okay, now हमारे इंडिया में जो स्टॉक मार्केट है उसे कौन गवर्न करता है? Who regulates the stock market of India?
सेबी।
सेबी. वेरी गुड. सो सेबी जो है वो गवर्न करता है हमारा स्टॉक मार्केट ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है, क्या फुल फॉर्म है सेबी का?
सिक्योरिटीज एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया।
वेरी गुड. सिक्योरिटी एक्सचेंज सिक्योरिटी एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया, ये सेबी है जो विच इज द रेगुलेटरी बॉडी फॉर गवर्निंग द स्टॉक मार्केट ऑफ इंडिया. जैसे आरबीआई हमारे यहाँ पे इंडिया के बैंकिंग सेक्टर को रेगुलेट करता है, वैसे ही फॉर शेयर मार्केट को सेबी रेगुलेट करता है. Okay, now can anyone tell me what are the two leading and very known stocks exchange in India? Anyone?
बीएसई और एनएसई।
Okay, so the two very known stock exchange in India are BSC and NSC. BSC is the leading stock exchange of India and BSC is the oldest stock exchange of India. Full form is Bombay Stock Exchange and second is National Stock Exchange. बिल्कुल सही. So, National Stock Exchange was established in 1992 in Mumbai with the aim to bring transparency to the Indian market system. BSC was established in 1875 and it was the Asia's first stock exchange. Now, as we know, both these stock exchange are replicates the market condition of the country. How would we know if the stock market is doing good or bad, whether it is a bull market or a bearish market? How would you determine it? So, for this, indices are created for both the market. Can anybody tell me what are the indices of the respective stock exchange?
निफ्टी या
Nifty or Sensex, yes. So, the name of index for BSC is Sensex and that for NSC is Nifty. These indices or index play an integral part in the working of the stocks exchange. They indicate the health of the stocks of these exchange. How it is done is a pool of stocks are created for each of these stocks exchange. For example, a set of 50 stocks in NSE and 30 stocks in BSC is selected on the basis of the company's reputation, market capitalization, and significance to be a part of a weighted formula that will give us the value of the index. Now, if any of the stock's price rises, the value of Nifty and Sensex goes up, and vice versa. That means if the price declines, so do the Nifty and Sensex. Next, let's talk about the timings of trading in the stock market. So, as of now, there is no 24 hours trading system, and the trading usually takes place in the working days, that is Monday to Friday. On Saturdays and Sundays, trading does not happen unless there are special circumstances. So these stock markets have opening and closing time as 3:15 and 3:30 respectively. Any activity that happens after the closing hours are not reflected into the market. The reflection will only take place once the market is open and not before that. I hope everything is clear. If anyone has any doubt, can write in the chat box. No, ma'am. So far, what we have learned in today's session is that a stock exchange is an organized market where traders can buy and sell the shares of different companies. We have two major stock exchanges in India, that is NSE and BSC, who have their respective indices or index, namely Nifty and Sensex. Both the NSE and BSC provide an efficient platform for online trading and are the indicators of the health of India's economy.